Well, the transition from Minnesota or Wisconsin or South Dakota. Okay, 3, 2, 1. The transition from Minnesota. 3, 2, 1. On I-90, the transition from South Dakota to Minnesota was really rough, but it got better. It's not too bad now. It's definitely not a 80-mile-an-hour freeway back there, but it's now good. I'm about 130 miles to Albert Lee. I think that's 35. I'll see what happens. If it says 35E, 35W, I'll keep going. Want to grab 35E, but looks like there's the rain that I was expecting to happen. And probably be about 4 hours before I get home. Something like that. 2 more hours to the transition from here to 35E is the one I really want to get. Avoid the Twin Cities. Go over by St. Paul side. It's still kind of the cities, but I don't know. I don't remember it being quite as much of a mess as 35W. And look, wind generators. That is one heck of a field. That is huge. Look at that wind crop. Oh man, oh no. Okay, was that in the air? Anyway. Oh. Yeah, look at that. Man, that's like California. Thing goes from way over there to way over there. It's huge. Look at that. When I first came into Minnesota, they had 2 larger ones, bigger than these. These are like the ones in Wisconsin or South Dakota. But the first 2 that I saw, they were even bigger than these guys. And there was just 2 of them. But man, this is impressive. Wall mount I just saw. Wall mount? I don't know what they call it. Man, and it just keeps going back further. But yeah, the speed limit here is 70 miles an hour. It's kind of like, damn. Starting to get drips. You can see it goes back further. It's miles. Yeah, they call that Wilmot Rushmore. Oh, and it's still going ahead of me. Man, it's crazy. Still more. Yeah, this is where the coal fields are, or the coal mining is going to. Look at that. This is like California, man. This is like Cali.